Assalamu alaikum to all of you. How are you? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. So listen guys, today's our lecture about Avogadro's number and unit is fundamentals of chemistry unit 1. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous lecture we have studied about the gram formula mass, gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass or gram molecular mass and formula mass and gram atomic mass. Why we use the word gram? Because the scientists determine the atomic masses of other elements by comparing with carbon atom 12, which is called atomic mass unit. We have already discussed that what is the atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is the unit which we compare, from which we compare, and from one which compare the atomic masses of another element. We make a standard. We take carbon 12 atom and take its 12 part and then measure the atomic masses of other elements by taking it as a standard. So AMU just simply determine the atomic masses of other elements. It is the simplest unit scientists use to determine the mass. It cannot be used in numerical calculations. So for numerical calculations and to convert into system international unit, we use the word mole, and scientists convert it AMU into mole. And what is mole? Mole is the number of 6.02 10 ki raise 23 particles in an element. For example, if I say 1 mole of hydrogen atom and 1 mole of hydrogen element. 1 mole of hydrogen element, its main element hydrogen contain same number of atoms. One hydrogen element mean it has same number of hydrogen atoms, same number of hydrogen atoms and same type of same type of hydrogen atom will combine to form an element. So 1 mole of hydrogen element, its mean if it have 6.02 10 ki raise 23 particles in it, it will be called 1 mole of hydrogen element. So 6.02 10 ki raise 23 particles will be called the 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, and which is equal to 1 AMU. So the atomic mass 1 AMU is equal to 1 gram. Similarly, if the atomic mass of carbon atom 12 is 12 and when we convert into gram, in AMU it's 12 AMU and in gram in gram it is 12 gram. So let's move to our today's topic. We will discuss again the concept of mole. Explain the Avogadro's number. The number of particles in 1 mole of a substance is called Avogadro's number. The number of particles in 1 mole of a substance. And what are the number of particles? And how many number of particles in 1 mole of a substance? Substance mean maybe element, molecule or compound. The number of particles in 1 mole of a substance is called Avogadro's number. Representation and numerical value. Avogadro's number is presented by symbol Na. Its numerical value is 6.010 ki raise 23. So, if any substance contains 6.010 ki raise 23 particles, it will be called 1 mole. If we say 1 mole of water molecule, if we words use molecule, 1 mole of molecule, 1 mole of hydrogen, and 1 mole of ionic compound or formula mass or molecular mass and molecular mass. For example, if we say 1 mole of molecule, it's mean it contains 6.02 10 ki raised 23 small water molecules of water, which will combine to form 1 mole of water molecule, because in 1 mole water molecule and 1 molecule of water there are 6.02 10 ki raised 23 molecules, small molecules of water. So, and it is formed, we can simply say that 1 mole of water molecule is formed 6.2 10 ki raised 23 water molecules inside it. Next, introduction. It is a huge number. It was suggested by an Italian scientist, Imero Avogadro. In simple words, 6.02 particles are equal to 1 mole, as 12 eggs are equal to 1 dozen. For example, if we take 1 dozen is equal to 12 eggs, so 1 mole is equal to 6.2 10 ki raised 23 particles. I think it will be clear now. Mole is a huge amount, is a big quantity.